Is your engine starting to feel tired? Burning more fuel than usual? Hard to start in the morning? Experiencing rough idling, fluctuating RPMs, or sluggish acceleration? Don't worry, because the good news is that in most cases, these problems are not caused by a worn-out engine at all. They are often caused by dirty sensors, carbon buildup, and neglected maintenance. In this video, I am going to uncover 11 secret tips that will make your engine run like new again. And make sure you watch until the end, because the final trick is something most drivers never do, yet it can completely transform how your engine performs. Let's dive in. Number 11. The liquid tune-up. First up is what I call the liquid tune-up. Everyone knows they need to change their oil, but most people are doing it wrong for an aging engine. As your engine gains miles, the internal clearances between moving parts naturally widen. If you are just grabbing the cheapest oil on the shelf, you are missing out on serious performance. Here is how you execute a professional-grade oil service to restore internal tolerances. Start by firing up the engine and letting it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. This warms the oil, allowing it to flow faster and carry away more dirt, sludge, and contaminants trapped inside the engine. Next, shut the engine off, remove the drain plug, and let the old oil pour out completely. For the best results, leave it draining for another 30 minutes so every possible drop of degraded oil can escape. Once drained, remove the old oil filter and install a new one, lightly coating the rubber gasket with fresh oil to ensure a perfect seal. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to factory specifications. Finally, refill the engine with the manufacturer-recommended high-mileage full synthetic oil. This simple maintenance procedure can significantly reduce internal friction, improve oil pressure stability, quiet engine noise, and help your engine run smoother, quieter, and more efficiently. Number 10. Refresh the coolant. When people think of a sluggish engine, they rarely think of coolant. But thermal stress is a silent performance killer. Old coolant loses its pH balance and becomes acidic. When it turns acidic, it begins eating away at your water pump impeller and degrading your head gaskets. Furthermore, degraded coolant can't transfer heat away from the cylinders efficiently. When the engine block runs too hot, the computer automatically pulls back ignition timing to prevent engine knocking. That means the car is intentionally cutting its own power to protect itself. Flushing your radiator and refilling it with fresh fluid keeps operating temperature stable, which allows your engine to run at peak timing and maximum efficiency. Number 9. Clean the throttle body. The throttle body is essentially the lungs of your engine. Every minute, thousands of liters of air pass through this component, and over time, carbon deposits, oil vapors, and dirt begin accumulating around the throttle plate. Automotive technicians estimate that by 50,000 to 70,000 miles, many vehicles have enough buildup to noticeably affect idle quality and throttle response. When carbon restricts airflow, the engine computer must constantly compensate, often leading to rough idle, hesitation, and reduced fuel efficiency. To clean it, first disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Remove the intake hose connected to the throttle body and inspect the throttle plate. Spray a dedicated throttle body cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe away the carbon deposits from both sides of the plate. Avoid forcing electronic throttle plates open unless your vehicle service manual permits it. After cleaning, reinstall everything and start the engine. Many drivers report smoother acceleration and a more stable idle immediately after this service. Number 8. Replace or clean the engine air filter. An engine consumes far more air than fuel. In fact, for every gallon of gasoline burned, an engine requires approximately 14 to 15 gallons worth of air. That's why a clogged air filter can have such a dramatic effect on performance. In my 15 years of experience as a mechanic, I have seen hundreds of engines that were unable to perform efficiently simply because of severely restricted air filters. To inspect yours, open the air filter housing and remove the filter. Hold it up to sunlight or a bright shop light. If very little light passes through, replacement is recommended. If you are using a reusable performance filter, clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions and allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Replacing an air filter typically takes less than 5 minutes, yet it can improve airflow, combustion efficiency, and throttle response. Many manufacturers recommend replacement every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but drivers in dusty environments may need more frequent service. This simple maintenance item is one of the easiest ways to help an engine breathe the way it did when it was new. Number 7. Calibrate the air-fuel ratio. Moving on to our next tip, we are looking at the brains behind your air-to-fuel mixture, the mass airflow, or MAF, sensor. If your vehicle feels sluggish during sudden acceleration or is suffering from poor fuel economy, a contaminated MAF sensor is a highly probable cause. Here is how you chemically clean this incredibly sensitive component without destroying its internal circuitry. Start by ensuring the ignition is completely off. Now locate the MAF sensor between the air filter box and throttle body. Disconnect the electrical connector carefully and remove the sensor using the appropriate screwdriver. Holding the sensor over a collection pan, apply 10 to 15 targeted bursts of a specialized, fast-evaporating MAF sensor cleaner directly onto the internal wires, while strictly avoiding any physical contact with the elements. Now, allow it to air dry completely before reinstalling. This 5-minute procedure often restores smoother engine operation and can improve fuel economy by several percentage points. Number 6. Fix the spray pattern. Fuel injectors operate with microscopic precision. They must atomize fuel into an ultra-fine mist for maximum combustion efficiency. However, after tens of thousands of miles, varnish and carbon deposits begin forming inside the injectors. Industry testing has found that even minor injector deposits can reduce fuel flow consistency and affect engine performance. To perform this chemical restoration effectively, drive your vehicle until the fuel tank is nearly empty, then pull into a gas station. Pour a high-concentration fuel system cleaner containing polyetheramine directly into the filler neck before inserting the gas pump nozzle to ensure thorough mixing. Fill the tank completely with high-quality gasoline and drive the vehicle at sustained highway speeds to bring the engine to its optimal operating temperature. As the PEA-infused fuel cycles through the injectors, it actively survives extreme combustion chamber heat to dissolve stubborn, baked-on varnish clinging to the microscopic nozzles, and restores a finely atomized mist pattern that optimizes the air-fuel ratio. Many drivers notice smoother acceleration and reduced hesitation after a full tank of treated fuel. It is one of the easiest maintenance procedures available and requires virtually no mechanical experience. Number 5. The $10 Miracle. This tip is the ultimate mechanic's secret because it's a $10 part that can cause thousands of dollars in damage if ignored. I'm talking about the PCV valve. When your engine runs, high-pressure combustion gases blow past the piston rings into the crankcase. The PCV valve's job is to safely vent those gases back into the engine to be burned off. Over time, sludge and carbon deposits can clog the valve, which disrupts airflow and increasing crankcase pressure. Symptoms may include rough idle, oil leaks, increased oil consumption, and reduced engine efficiency. To replace this component, locate the PCV valve and carefully pull off its attached vacuum hose. Unscrew or pull the old valve out of its housing, and perform the classic diagnostic test by shaking it next to your ear. A functional valve will rattle loudly, while a clogged, failing unit will remain completely silent. Now insert a brand new original equipment manufacturer valve into place, ensuring a tight, uncompromised seal, and reattach the vacuum line securely to prevent unmetered air leaks. Number 4. Replace the spark plugs. If your car has a subtle shudder when you are idling at a red light, then the spark plug is your culprit. A single spark plug may fire millions of times during its service life. By the time a vehicle reaches 100,000 miles, those plugs have generated an astonishing number of ignition events. Over time, electrode wear increases the gap, which then require higher voltage to create a spark. The result can be misfires, poor fuel economy, and rough idle. To replace your spark plug, begin with a cool engine and remove one ignition coil at a time. Use a spark plug socket and extension to remove the old plug. Before inserting the new iridium spark plug, verify the precise electrical gap using a feeler gauge to ensure it matches factory specifications. Thread the new plugs in by hand first to prevent cross-threading, and then use a calibrated torque wrench to seat them securely. Reinstalling the ignition coils over these fresh plugs eliminates micro misfires. Many drivers are shocked by the difference new spark plugs can make. In some cases, fuel economy improves by several percent, while throttle response becomes noticeably sharper. Number 3. Remove combustion chamber carbon buildup. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest hidden performance killers in modern engines. Research has shown that direct injection engines can accumulate significant carbon deposits on intake valves over time because fuel no longer washes the valves clean. These deposits disrupt airflow, reduce efficiency, and can even contribute to engine knocking. Using manufacturer-approved cleaning chemicals. Some shops use walnut shell blasting for severe buildup. The process removes years of accumulated deposits and restores proper airflow. Drivers often report smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and improved throttle response afterward. Considering that carbon deposits can gradually rob an engine of efficiency over tens of thousands of miles, removing them can make the vehicle feel dramatically newer. That's all for this video. By addressing these issues systematically, you can restore power, improve fuel economy, reduce engine vibration, and potentially add years to your vehicle's life. I will see you in the next video.